All right, still going, still at it. Get a Black's Law Dictionary. The reason why I'm showing this one is because this is where actually I located the articles. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Article 18. Men and women of full age, hear that, of full age, without any limitation due to race, nationality, or religion, have the right to marry and to found a family. They are entitled to equal rights as to marriage, during marriage, and at its dissolution. Number 2, marriage shall be entered into only with the free and full consent of the intending spouses. Number 3, the family is the natural and fundamental group of society and is entitled to protection by society and the state. What did they just say right there? Let's talk about number 3 first. It's the family that is the natural and fundamental group, unit of society. People, we got to learn how to match our characters and our personalities to be complementary to our spouses. That is the only way to ensure a more sound foundation of this structure. This goes back into like the analogy of like mathematically, scientific wise, 1 + 1 = 2, right? But in regards to human rights, in regards to the family, 1 + 1 actually equals 3. Because of that man and that woman, they came together in Article 16, decided to found a family, and the first one, when they became full age, and they entered into this only with the free and full consent of the intended spouses, each other. Ain't no shotgun weddings. You got my daughter pregnant, you gonna marry her, you dirty, rotten scoundrel, none of that nonsense. It's only about mutual agreements. So, here's why we have so many incidents. Generally, we meet each other physically attracted without knowing anything about one another. And I've been guilty of this, probably at some point, I don't know, maybe still be guilty of it. But we meet each other, find each other physically attractive, decide to lay with one another and have intercourse. And that intercourse may bring forth a child. And then the disagreements start, right? Because when you met me in public, 9 times out of 10, you met my personality. You didn't meet my character. And I met your personality. And I didn't meet your character. Now, here's the problem with that. Here's when it really gets tricky. If your character is in conflict with your personality, they call that being bipolar. And if mine is the same, and because my character conflicts with my personality, I can't come into a relationship healthy. Neither can you. Now, let's take that further. Our personalities get along, but our characters, ooh, buddy. Let's relate that to the zodiac. Your sun sign, right? People say, so I'm a Cancer. That's my sun sign. That's my character. That's pretty much what I do when nobody's watching. But my personality, my moon sign, is Gemini, which means when I walk out into the public, y'all see my Gemini representation of me. And then I do my best to bring my character to the cipher as well. Now, what governs your character, how your character functions, is called your ascendant sign. Mine is also a Gemini. So when I talk to people, I talk in triplicate. I speak with both Geminis, and then thirdly or firstly, I'll speak with my emotions, my Cancer sign. And a lot of people get offended by that because they look at it like I'm repeating myself over and over to them as if I'm to say that they are incompetent, that they can't comprehend, and it's not. That's just the way I express myself, and I know that about myself. This was the reason why in the most Muslim Moorish empire of Islamism, we teach know thyself. And when you know thyself, then you can get to learn others. And that's what I'm in the process of doing. So, Article 16, men and women, marriage. There you go.